నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు నాకు చాలా 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 సంతోషంగా ఉంది. I'm just after all these beautiful I don't know where to begin, but I feel the best way to begin is by saying thank you to the audience, to the media people for all the love you have given to our film Daku Maharaj, for making it such a big success and a Sankranti blockbuster. Thank you for all the love you're giving to me, my character, this different character that I have played, the action sequence that I had the chance to do in this film. So thank you for all the love, for the reviews, feedbacks, calls, messages. I'm truly humbled and truly so grateful. I feel I just got really lucky with this film. This film came to me on a plateau just randomly when I was in Tirupati, very similar to what happened to Shraddha. So I think this was destiny and it was just meant to be. I got a chance to work with some of the best people in the industry. While working on the film, I don't think I realized how lucky I've got, but I've said it multiple times and I'll say it one more time again. Bala sir, it's a privilege and honor to work with you again. Thank you for being the nicest, coolest, sweetest, most amazing person and the most terrific actor. Earlier I used to think, what are these tags that, in Telugu film industry all the actors have? But there's truly nobody who can be called the god of masses if it's not you. There is truly nobody like you. You are truly the best. Thank you for everything. Thank you for blessing me always. Thank you for Bobby. I didn't realize earlier, but you are one of the finest directors that I have ever worked with. Thank you for your incredible talent, your hard work, your patience, your calmness, your fantastic team of writers, assistants. They make our job so easy. I'm just so lucky to be a small part of this spectacular film. Thank you for everything. Thank you, Vamsi Garu, wherever you are, Sitara Entertainment, for truly being the best. I mean, I have nothing else to say because I genuinely got lucky, got a chance to work with the best in every department. Thank you, Taman. You are everybody's favorite. You have taken our film to a whole different level. We love you. I'm a big fan. Thank you to Venkat sir, Shankar sir for the fantastic stunts, action and choreography in the same order. Thank you to all the wonderful actors who performed so beautifully. Shraddha, Veda, Bobby Deol sir, Makaran sir, Divi, Ravi Kale sir. It was wonderful to share, the screen space with you guys. You were so enthusiastic, so passionate, so hardworking. It was lovely to be a part of this film, working with you guys. Thanks to my team, Hari Garu, Pavan, Madhu, Chinna, Venkat, Mahesh, you guys, thank you for everything you do for me every day. And to the audience once again, thank you so much for all the love. We are so grateful, so humbled, and we can't wait for you to make our movie a bigger success than what it is. 114 today? 114 today. 214 soon? Wow. Very soon? Thank you. I love you all so much. Thank you for everything.
Thank you so much, Pragya. We'll play a small game.
One more thing. Okay. Thank you, Suma Garu, for being a part of our beginning journey, success journey, everything. You are incredible. We love you.
Thank you, but I'm not ready to give you.
Okay.
So you have to choose one out of the two that I say, okay?
Ooh.
Teaser or song? Teaser or song?
किसी भी मूवी का.
हाँ, just random.
Song.
Okay, song or trailer? Trailer or scene?
Scene.
Scene or Akhanda?
Ayya, Akhanda.
Akhanda or Daku Maharaj?
Right now, Daku Maharaj.
Okay, Daku Maharaj or Akhanda 2?
Daku Maharaj today.
Okay, thank you so much for being such a sport. Thank you so much. And Shraddha had something else to say, so Shraddha ni marokasari vedik meediki ravalsinదిగా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. Thank you.